Insulin plant for diabetes. How to use traditional cure for diabetes. How to process insulin leaves. From the research, it is resulted that the best way to process the insulin leaves is by boiling the leaves into water. Put attention in the following steps and description on how to make herbal medicine drink made from insulin leaves which you can get practiced at home by yourselves. How to make insulin leaves steeping. 1. Pick 10 or more insulin leaves. It would be better to more since you will cut them into slices. Wash under the flowing water. 2. Cut the leaves into slices just like you cut the onions. 3. Dry under the sun. The time of drying depends on how dry the sunlight is. You can check the dried leaves by squeezing it. 4. The dried leaves are ready to be steeped just like you make a cup of tea. Boil the water until it is boiling, and put the insulin leaves into the glass. 5. Pour the boiling water into the glass which there is some dried insulin leaves. Wait a moment until the water inside the glass turns into brown. 6. Add honey to have more light and sweet taste. Drink regularly every day. Consuming insulin leaves either in boiled herbal drink or steep can be done at least once in a week. It is fine if you want to consume it every day since it has no further bad side effect compared to high doses of generic medicine. After describing about making the herbal potion and steep from insulin leaves, now it is time to scrutinize the health benefits of insulin leaves for our healthy and prevent from some dangerous illnesses such as below. How to make herbal potion of insulin leaves. 1. Pick 5-7 slices of fresh insulin leaves from the tree. 2. Wash under the flowing water, gently dry it for a moment. 3. Prepare a pot to boil 3-5 cups of water or 4 normal glasses. 4. Wait a moment until the water is a bit evaporated. Put the leaves into the water. 5. Keep boiling the water until it is boiling. Wait until the water reduces into about only a glass. 6. Switch off the stove and filter the insulin leaves boiled water before pouring it into the drink glass. You may also add some honey if you like. 7. Drink regularly at least once in a day, or if you want to meet the herbal expert, ask him about the proper dose and drink quantity in your daily.